Hey guys, welcome to Bangalore Techie. Here we are going to learn Excel techniques, concatenation option. So the concatenation option, what it is going to do is the function. What it is going to do is it is going to concatenate more than one column. Okay, more than one column. That may be 100 columns or 200 columns. Like the technique what you have to learn is the concatenation can be happen in a different way. All the ways we can learn over here. So here what we need to do is 2015 January $500. I wanted to keep it in one cell itself. So after that I wanted to take out the formula. So what we need to do is just here equal to concatenation concatenate NAT open bracket. So first cell plus second cell plus third cell close bracket. So you can see over here there is no plus is not required over here. Just like if you give plus, it will give error. Just you have to give comma. So you can see here 2015 Jan $500. The thing, I wanted to give some space over here. So what we have to do is while giving the space, so inverted comma, starting inverted comma, space, inverted comma, again you can give comma. So if I enter here, you can see one space over here. I wanted to get one more space here. After comma, I am starting with open inverted commas, again closing inverted comma, and I'm giving again comma. So you can see over here now I have two spaces. I wanted to give some more space over here. Just I'm clicking on this. So it is expanding and it is giving more spaces. So if I drag this down, so now I can see over here complete data is coming in a structure format in same column. I have concatenated everything in all the columns. Even though you have multiple columns, you can apply one formula and you can bring all the columns into a single column. Okay, this is the future you have to learn. This is very good feature. And when it comes to when you wanted to take out any formula, so for example I have deleted here, so it gone out. So if I give again Ctrl Z, it is coming up. So if I delete something, I wanted to take out the formula, then just you have to select over here and Ctrl C Alt E S. So it will show you the values option. Just click on values, click on OK. So it will take you all the formulas. Even though now if you delete something, it is not reflecting over here. So this is the future where you can learn, you can apply. So even though if I delete all the values also, it will not go anything. So this is the best way where you can do all kind of concatenation options. So the only thing is learning to take out this formula. So Alt CS, you have to select first, Ctrl C Alt ES. So it will populate a window. Just you have to click on values and click on OK. So thank you all for watching this video. We are going to create a lot of videos like this. So I request you to subscribe our channel. Thank you.